Dead Sea, the salt lake located at the lowest point on Earth at 430.5 meters below sea level. If there is one thing everyone knows about the Dead Sea is that you can't sink in it. It is 8 or 9 times saltier than the ocean of the world, so dense and rich in minerals, and that makes it float in the sea. It is located in the Jordon Rift Valley, bordered by Israel to the east and Jordan to the west. Its hyper-salt and rich in minerals mud are known for many health benefits. Many tourists and locals like to visit the hotel and the spa on its beaches for the mud treatment and salt bath. And the health benefits appear to be real. The people with the skin disease psoriasis also seem to find the relief in the combination of mineral-rich water, soothing mud, and intense sunlight. In some countries, the health agencies and the charities pay for people with the condition to come on therapeutic trips. The ancient Rome era named the sea as the Dead Sea, as they were mostly stuck with how the water were devoid of all the living forms, whether the plants or the living creatures. It is so salty that no fish or plants live in its mineral-rich water. The sea spits out the asphalt constantly. In the ancient time, the Egypt imported this asphalt as it was used for mummification. But the Dead Sea is gradually sinking under the heat of the Middle Eastern sun. The average temperature in this area is 31 Celsius. It is, however, sinking at the surface level is dropping more than a meter a year, that is 3 feet a year. So even though the Dead Sea is sinking and changing, it still has an economic value. The tourists can choose to visit the resort in either Jordan or Israel. And both countries also export the cosmetic products manufactured in this area. But there is no doubt that the decline in the water level has been spectacular. The terminal leg of the river Jordon, its end point, the river flows in at one end, but the water doesn't flow out again at other. It just sits there and evaporates. There are places in the Israel and in the occupied West Bank where in the dry season you can almost step over it. The Jordan was once one of the great waterways of the ancient world. Christ was baptized in it. Why the Dead Sea is so salty? The Dead Sea is famously known for being one of the most saltiest bodies of the water in the world, and certainly the deepest hypersaline at the depth of 304 meters. And the reason for this high salinity, the Dead Sea is terminals for flow of rain and the surface water, which means water flows into it but doesn't flow out. Its water has no escape, but it's trapped to evaporate. Soaring summer temperatures and year-round hot dry climatic conditions make it a perfect place to spend unforgettable holidays, yet lead to significant losses of the water to evaporation. So, it's a time to put the Dead Sea in your bucket list. Subscribe and click the bell icon to support the channel.